Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And I thought it'd be fun just to share with you, no list, nothing in front of me, why I'm still with Power Lead System, why I joined Power Lead System originally, why I'm still with them to this day. Okay, so I joined Power Lead System in 2015. It was April of 2015, and I originally joined it because I was looking for a low ticket offer that I could offer to as an alternative to something I had that was more mid-ticket to high ticket. So I wanted something that was low ticket that provided a lot of value. I came across Power Lead System. I saw all the value that was provided. I didn't even know. It wasn't until I actually got into the system that I realized how much was there. And that was my start. Now, it wasn't much longer after that I was in a different program, and my sponsor had built out these beautiful systems like capture pages, sales pages, emails that I could use because I had Power Lead System. It's called a sharing code. And what a sharing code does is allows you to create or allow someone else to create any kind of page, any kind of sales funnel for any kind of business. It doesn't matter. And that is what I was using it for. I was using it to help promote another business. And because I had a sharing code, I was able to get all the pages whenever I wanted. I didn't have to go recreate the wheel. I didn't have to go try to figure out how to do it on my own. I just put the sharing code and I was good to go. And that's what I did when I first started Power Lead System. So that's one of the reasons why I have stuck with it this long, because I use the tools all the time. I use the training all the time. I love it because you can promote anything with this program. So what I want to do right now is I want to share with you just a couple of funnels that have been built out with Power Lead System. Now, there are many, countless funnels that have been built out. And if you're just a customer, it's just $30 a month. If you're just a customer, you can get access to these sharing codes and you'll be able to use these same funnels. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to start off with a Power Lead System funnel. This is one that one of the affiliates of Power Lead System created. His name is Frank, and he put this funnel together, and it walks you through his story. It walks you through what Power Lead System has done for him. He was penniless, broke, had to sell his furniture, had to keep the heat off in the wintertime. Basically having nothing to now he earns very, very good income from the comfort of his home online. He put this funnel together. He's put many other funnels together, but he put this funnel together only to promote Power Lead System. That's it. And this covers everything anyone ever needs to know about Power Lead System. It's a complete system. Everything in this funnel is going to educate your lead or your prospect. It's going to show them how to set up their own funnel. It's going to talk about the importance of positioning themselves to earn back-end sales and earn the most commissions, get the best training, and it's going to onboard them. There's additional training. There's traffic training. I mean, it's all in this system. And this, when you work in Power Lead System, you have Power Lead System, you get access to this funnel, okay? I'm going to show you another funnel. Let's see, is this the one? That I'm using for something else I do. It pays $1,000 commissions. And this was built in Power Lead System. I just think it's a beautiful page, as you can see. And when you click on, it says click to unlock the video, this is the capture page. So there's a micro commitment there, and they move into where they put their information. Now it's going to move into a sales page, and here you go, here's the sales page. Again, this was created in Power Lead System. The other funnel I just showed you was created in Power Lead System. I could show you probably 20 different funnels that have been created in Power Lead System on this video, but that would be a very long video, so I'm not going to do that. What you need to understand, what you want to take away from this is you can get beautiful funnels. You can create them yourself. You could hire someone to build them out for you, or you can have, just use what other people create if they're willing to share it with you. And there you go. You have beautiful funnels ready to go, ready to make you sales, collect leads, make sales, right? That's what it's all about. So that's one of the things I really like about Power Lead System. That's one of the reasons why I continue to use it to this day, because of the tools. And that's just one of the tools. There's an autoresponder, there's a contact manager, there's, what else is there? There's all kinds of capture pages, sales pages, hangout pages. You can customize all this stuff, unlimited subdomains. There's just a lot back there that is available to you. Let me see here. Go back, okay? So here we are back in the Power Lead System back office. So that's one thing. The next thing I want to go over is the compensation plan. So when I first started Power Lead System back in 2015, I wasn't even really looking at the compensation plan. In fact, I didn't understand it. So I never really took it that seriously. I became a gold member, which is this right here, gold. That is pretty much the lowest you could be in Power Lead System. And I used the tools. And I did this for years, literally years, without really making much money with this program because I was always focused on something else. So I was using the tools, I was using the training, I was a product of the product. It wasn't until late 2017 where I really decided to run with this thing. I really decided, okay, I'm going to go make a full-time income with this program. And I've been talking about it before. I really like Power Lead System. It offers so much value for so little. I really want to run with this thing. And I finally put my head to it. I finally made the decision. And I purchased, at that time, all of the products. I went all in. And what that consisted of was gold, diamond, platinum. And when I did that, not even understanding the compensation plan, I didn't even know where to go to look to see what I earned for the week. I literally went from making $50 or less to over $2,000. I got paid over $2,000 for 1 week's work within a 3-week period. Within a 3-week period of time making that decision, okay? So at that time, I was at gold. I was at diamond. I'm going to go over this in just a minute. And then at that time, our highest was this Social Profit Academy. This one down here did not exist, okay? We did not have $1,000 commissions before. And just those three, I was able to pull 2,000, 3,000 weeks with just those three. Frank, with just those three, I've seen him do 8,000 in a week with just those three. Okay? So it's very, very powerful, and it is what I recommend. I always recommend people, if they want to make full-time income, if they really want to maximize Power Lead System, if they really want to get ahead and not play around in a little kiddie pool and make little tiny income, then they definitely want to make sure they start right here. So that's gold, diamond, platinum. Comes out to just under $700. You're positioned to earn $400 commissions, $100 commissions, and $20 residual commissions, plus 50% matching bonus. Plus there's some overrides on these, okay? So right there, you're able to earn $520 per customer on the front. When I say front, I mean that's just upfront sale. That's not the matching bonus. That's not the overrides. That's not any of that. That is just like, so if someone comes in, let's say Jane. Jane comes in, she's like, oh, I want to start at platinum. So she purchases gold, diamond, platinum, and she pays the less than $700 for that. I would have made $520 from that. That doesn't include everything, though, because if she goes out and starts referring people, I earn 50%. Let me just show you that. I earn 50% matching bonus on anything she earns, on anything anyone earns in my pay line. Now, I know a lot of people miss that point. I missed that point forever. I did not understand it whatsoever. And it is huge. It is huge because when you get people on your team, and let's just say they're making $1,000, okay? They make $1,000. Let's just say $1,000 a month. That's $500 you earned, and you didn't have to do anything else. They're going out doing it. You're getting half. What if it's $2,000 and it's $1,000, right? So it really adds up. So I'll just scroll through these products real quick. Gold, you get 3 members as an affiliate, which is $53.97. It's gold is $30 to be a customer. Use the tools, use the training, not the higher end training, but the training that's available. And then you can move up to affiliate, unlock the commissions that you could earn in Power Lead System. That's for $53.97. Okay. After you get 3 people, you're now in profit. $60, you're in profit. That's it. You just need, and then that's residual income as long as they stay. Then we have Diamond, which is the rest are just one-time payments. That's it. You're done one time and it's over. And I love that. 147, you're done. Don't pay again. $100 frontline commissions, $25 overrides. Social Profit Academy, $497 one time. Again, this is where it changed all for me. $400 commissions, because now I can make $400 commissions, $50 overrides. And then finally, the most recent product is Master Traffic Institute. This wasn't there when I started. It's $1497 one time, pays $1,000 commissions, unlimited $200 overrides. And I can tell you, I have earned many, 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 many times more than I ever paid in this program. People just don't know. They just don't understand what they're doing to themselves when they don't position themselves to earn, when they don't take this thing seriously. They don't understand how much they're leaving on the table. Okay, so that's the next thing. Okay, that's the next thing that I really like about Power Lead System. Another thing I really like about Power Lead System and why I'm still here is it's stable. It's not hypey. It's not going away. It's stable. They pay on time every single week. I've literally watched people leave Power Lead System to go to some other program. That program goes under, something happens, and they're right back at Power Lead System. I've watched it so many times happen, and that's because Power Lead System, it works as is. I didn't even mention that. It converts as is, so the funnels that are provided convert to sales as is. You don't have to do anything fancy here. It's a beautiful thing. But yeah, so I've seen people leave and come back because it's stable, because it's still standing tall and standing strong, and because they get like so much value for so little, because they can earn a good income with this program. And let's just face it, let's be realistic, okay? If you could earn an extra $500 a month, would that be a benefit to you? If you could earn an extra $1,000 a month, would that change things for you? What about $2,000? What about $2,000 a week? Okay, it's possible. It's absolutely possible with this system. I am living, breathing proof of it, okay? So that's that. The only other thing I wanted to say, I mean, I could keep going on and on, is I do like the fact that they have live training every single week. Every week, Wednesday and Thursday, live training that's for you to use to go and share with other people, like your prospects, or watch for yourself and learn some things, okay? And what they teach on those days is what I did to go from 50 to over 2,000. That's what I did. I followed what was taught, what they give away. It's actually free. They give this stuff away every week for free, and that is what I did. Okay, so there's many other things I could talk about Power Lead System, but those are my main points. So if you're looking for something that is simple, that is stable, you don't have to, you can go to sleep at night, not worry about it falling apart, not paying you, provides a lot of supports, has training that is proven and works, and has the ability to earn you income because of the lower ticket to the higher ticket and the bonuses and everything that got involved, to earn you income that actually matters. I'm not talking like $40 a week. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about income that actually matters. Then go to the link right below this video and get started. I'm going to let you know that I want to see you win. That's what I do. That's what I wake up in the morning to do. I want to see you win. I want to see you get to 500. I want you to see you get to 2,000 a week. That's what I want to see you do. I want you to see you not have to struggle for income anymore. Like, I talk to people every single day that are working a job, and they don't even realize how quickly it could be changed if they would be positioned to earn what they need to earn and just do what's taught. Do what's taught. Within a 3-month time, I was making consistent full-time income with Power Lead System. 3 months, not 3 years, not 5 years, 3 months. It's all documented. Okay, so that sounds good to you. You want to work with somebody that's going to do what he can to help you win. Of course, you have to participate. You know, a coach can only do so much, right? If the player doesn't perform, not much they can do, right? You have to want it. You have to have that desire. You have to have the will. But if you have that and you're ready to run, you're ready to really go and you want to earn that full-time income, and you're willing to do it until, click that link. Let's get you started. Let's get you plugged into my private group. Let's get you that training, and let's go, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time.